Let's cook chicken liver and gizzard adobo. So let's get started. First, we are going to add our cooking oil. I'm using olive oil. Then next, we are going to add our onions. Ayan po. Then we are going to saute this for 1 to 2 minutes until our onions turn into light brown. Then after 2 minutes, let's add our minced garlic, or you can use fresh garlic. Ayan, we just need to saute for another 1 to 2 minutes until they turn into light brown. And at this point mga kaibigan, we are ready to add our gizzard. Before we add our gizzard, I boiled my gizzard for 10 minutes. Ayan po. So we just need to saute our gizzard. Then, let's add our soy sauce. Ayan. Soy sauce lang po ang gamit natin mga kaibigan. And haluin lang po natin. And we need to mix it well. Ayan, halo-halo lang po until our gizzard absorb all the seasoning and the soy sauce. So at this point, I'm adding all-in-one seasoning, or you can use ground black pepper or paminta. Then I'm adding paprika powder, but this is optional mga kaibigan, pero gusto natin na magkakulay, that's why I'm adding paprika powder, chili powder, just a little bit so that it has a little bit of spicy. Then we just need to mix it well. Ayan, haluing mabuti po mga kaibigan, pero optional po yung mga ingredients na inad natin nung huli, yung paprika at chili powder. Pero gusto natin ng mas maganda at mas masarap. That's why you are adding more of the seasoning. Okay? So, at this point, I'm adding my Philippine seasoning called Magic Sarap. Ayan po. Or you can use chicken powder. But this is optional mga kaibigan. If you prepared to use your own seasoning like Guya seasoning, it's up to you. Then we just need to mix it well again. Mix until all the ingredients and the seasoning absorb to the chicken gizzard. So at this point mga kaibigan, after 5 minutes, I'm adding my chicken liver, or yung atay ng manok mga kaibigan. As you can see, start mixing our chicken liver and gizzard. So, bisa na tayong maghalo-halo ng ating atay at balon-balunan. Yan. So, again, before we cook mga kaibigan, pinakuluan po natin ng 10 minutes yung ating gizzard. I boiled my gizzard or balon-balunan for 10 minutes because gizzard or balon-balunan take longer to cook. That's why I boiled them first for 10 minutes. Alright, so we just need to continue mixing all our ingredients so that all the spices absorb to our chicken gizzard and chicken liver. Then now, let's add our ground black pepper or paminta. Ayan po mga kaibigan. Naglagay po tayo ng ating ground black pepper or paminta. And continue lang po ng paghalo. We just need to mix again, and mix. Never stop mixing. Ayan po, para ma-absorb po ng ating chicken liver at balon-balunan or gizzard ang lahat ng mga spices or seasoning. At this point, I'm adding laurel or bay leaves. Ayan. So, again, halo-halo, mix again. Ayan, as you can see mga kaibigan, looks really good right now and smells really good. I hope you can smell it, but of course, you can't. And at this point, I'm adding my Knorr seasoning. Ayan. I just need to add a little bit of my Knorr seasoning. Ayan. More seasoning, more delicious. Ayan. Ayan po yung aking kasabihan. So, halo-halo lang po mga kaibigan. Halo-halo. Walang katapusang mix again. This recipe is full of love. Ayan, kaya the result, super yummy. I'm adding more paprika at this time mga kaibigan to give more color to our or beauty to our chicken liver and gizzard adobo. Then at this point, we need to cover and simmer for another 10 minutes. Ayan po mga kaibigan. After 10 minutes, ito na po siya mga kaibigan. We need to mix it again. We need to mix it well. As you can see mga kaibigan, it's already have sauce in it. Even we're not adding water yet. So at this point, I need to cover again and simmer for another 5 minutes. Ayan. So after 5 minutes mga kaibigan, ito na nga siya. Ayan, we need to mix it. Mix again. Ayan, halo-halo na naman po tayo mga kaibigan until our gizzard and chicken liver absorb all the sauce. Then at this point mga kaibigan, let's add our bell pepper. Ayan po, this is optional but I want something veggies in my adobo. Then I'm adding some frozen sweet peas. And let's add our carrots. Ayan. So, ginawa nating mas special itong adobo na ito, no? Para siyang apretadang kaldereta na hindi mo maintindihan. Pero ang resulta, the best. Ayan, mix again tayo. And we need to cover again and simmer for another 2 minutes. Ayan po mga kaibigan, no? Napakasarap nito mga kaibigan. Then, after 2 minutes, this is set pancit. Ito na po mga kaibigan, no? Ayan. So, this is ready mga loves. At I forgot to mention pala nga mga love at hindi ko napakita sa video. We also added some spicy seasoned vinegar. Ayan. When we add the soy sauce. Ayan. So, I just forgot to mention in this video but we added vinegar mga kaibigan. As you can see, looks really good ang ating chicken liver and gizzard adobo with a twist with bell pepper and green peas. Kaya naman, kainan na. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.